Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a PDF document inside Microsoft Word. So once you're inside Word, guys, and you have a document type up and you'd like to create a PDF document from that, as you can see I have a picture of a cat here and just a title here, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just make it a little bit more fancy, right, by changing the font here and just to make it nice. So let's say I choose this here and make this a little bit larger. That's it. Now I'm going to create this, create a PDF document from this. So all I have to do is just simply ensure that I click on home. And then if you look towards the right hand side, you have the option under the Adobe Acrobat. Keep in mind that this feature will be available to you if you, for example, have Adobe Acrobat installed on your computer. So I have it installed. So if I type in Adobe, you will see that I have the Adobe Acrobat here on my computer, and I can easily click create document from here. Right, so this is one way how you can do it, and I'll show you the second way in a moment. So you can simply click on create a PDF here, and you see it mentions here, okay, try Adobe Acrobat Pro, or you can do save and convert to PDF. So that's another way. So you can click save and convert to PDF, and here you will see that it gives the document a file name, which is the one from the title. Now, if you save it as is, then it's going to convert into a Word file. So in order to create the PDF document from this, you want to change the save as type. So you want to click the drop down here and you want to choose PDF, right? And click and save. So if you do that, it's going to save the document, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do, if you don't want to choose this option here directly from the Acrobat option that is in the Microsoft Word, you can just save directly. So just go to File, and I will do Save As because I did the save already. So I can do Save As, and I can choose where on my computer I want to save that. So let's say I want to do it on a desktop. Then it takes you back to the Explorer window here so that you can change it, and you can simply choose the PDF option as well. And yeah, go ahead and do save, right? So once you do that, the document will be saved as a PDF guide, and you see that, yeah, the document is a PDF. So that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and create a PDF document from within Microsoft Word. Very easy and very simple.